This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Hi, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it?
Yeah, check that intro out. Alright, you want us to showcase your channel? Be sure to check out look at the description below and click that link for the rules and regulations. Alright, guys and girls, can you dig it? Here we go. Part 18. Dig it, 18 parts. 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport with the 3.7 engine rebuild. Before it was a partial, this has become almost a full. The only thing we didn't do is replace the rings and all, so it's good. Anyway, today's going to be a good episode because we are that close to installing this engine. Today, we got a wiring harness that's going to hook up around here. And then what we got to do is clear off everything under our little carport we made. Because we're going to pull the Jeep, we got to get the Liberty backed up into here. So we can get ready to install this engine. And we're going to be doing all that on a video. And you're going to be seeing how we move it. In case you got any, if you don't have another vehicle, or if you don't have the manpower to move a vehicle around your yard, we're gonna show you what we're gonna be doing. All right, we'll be right back. All right, here's our little messed up, mangled harness we got here. And remember this bolt, right? The nut right here that we took off. If you go back to part 5, I believe, it'll show when we taking this off. We took this off right here, and we got this end right here. And it's going to go up just like that, and put that on. Okay, into there. Okay. It goes over this thing here, over here, and then you got a little wiring thing right here. Plug up a little loop thing. Don't worry about the thing. Goes like that, and what we're gonna have is a 15mm shallow 3/8 drive socket. And I don't know why I got this long extension, but heck with it. I got this 3-mile long extension, 3/8 drive, and we're gonna go ahead up here and tighten that up. Dang it, gonna have to get it deep then. But check this out. Here's a little trick, guys. Let's see, right now I can't tighten it up no more because of the stud. So here's a little trick with what I learned. Take the socket off, put the socket on the nut already, and then just get enough in there just to get that finishing tightening that up.
Wouldn't it be easier to get it deep?
Yeah, it would be, but I'm lazy, so yeah, sockets ain't near me. And if you don't have a deep, look at that. That worked.
Okay.
See that? Okay, that's tightened up and that's good to go. Now, if you look back here, look behind you, we got to back the Jeep in here. So what we're going to do here is take all this stuff and I don't know, get it to the side or something. Get it over here. Now, as far as this engine on the stand, what we're gonna do is push this all the way to the side. Get the ladder out of the way, get all the junk out of the way, get our engine hoist that's over there, and bring that up to the front, because we're gonna need that. All right, so let's get all this cleared out, and we'll be right back. All right, we're about to go into super fast mode. Ready? Go. Okay, that was it. Now I got to move the van out the way so I can move this hoist over, and then we're going to show you how we're going to pull that Jeep over. We'll be right back. All right, now to move the Jeep. If you look at the grass growing up around the Jeep. We started this project in January, I believe. In January. Here it is. Yeah, so that's right. So we're finally starting to put this back in. Not our fault. I don't want to hit no mouth. I want no lip. All right.
He'll teach you what for.
That's right. All right, check it out. Now, if you got to move a vehicle around in your yard and you don't have the help to do it, because Sylvia ain't about to push no vehicle.
You're such a liar.
Sylvia said, "Nope, I ain't pushing
You are such a
You're on
liar.
your own." And that's it.
I have helped you so many
I'm
times.
talking to the people.
Yeah,
I'm not
lying.
talking to you.
You're
I'm
not
talking to them.
talking to the people.
I'm
You're
talking
lying
to
to
them.
the people.
I'm talking to them.
You lie.
They know I don't lie.
You lie.
All right. Anyway, check it out. All right. So what you're gonna do? This is what we're gonna use. Let's take a walk around the Jeep. We're gonna use our Bronco trailer, Troy-Bilt tractor. We're gonna hook a chain. Yeah, we're gonna hook a chain onto the back of there, on the back of there. And as Sylvia's pulling the tractor, and I should get some footage of Sylvia pulling the tractor, and I'm gonna be turning the Jeep and get it back there. So, first thing we're gonna do is go over here and hook this chain up. This is the same chain we're gonna use to put the engine in. Dang it. Alright, now let's get our tractor. Okay, let's take our chain. Let's hook it up. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna see Sylvia use the tractor.
Can I get my zero turn?
Nope, using old blue, old red. All right, so we're gonna set the camera up, and we're gonna start recording, and then we're gonna speed up the next part so you can see it quick. All right, we're right back. Check that out. All right, we got the Jeep up there. Look at this, man. Look at this is how long this thing's been sitting here. right, matter of fact, let's unhook the chain. Then Sylvia can go around and she'll probably cut the grass over there. So we'll hook it, we'll be right back. All right, put the bagger back up there. And where that area is over there, she's gonna mow it. Get off my tractor. Take your zero turn. I told you just cut a little bit up there. Trying to
I
cut
like
the whole
the
yard.
zero turn much better.
No, but tractor is much better.
No.
Just a tractor.
This
All
thing, and it has these wide turns. Takes forever to cut a yard.
For inexperienced people, yeah, it would.
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm gonna do now is put this in neutral, and I'm gonna back this up till it gets back to about towards the edge, so we can have enough room for the front.
This is more
All right.
like a vlog than a auto
It
repairs.
is. It is. We should we should make a vlog channel. Yeah.
That's too much work.
Yeah, just catch it all. You better just catch everything. Hey guys, plus also, well, if any of you guys know somebody near us, Rocky Mount, like remember we did that engine on the '99 Dakota? There's the old engine down there. It's hard to find somebody who collects metal. Man. I'd be wanting to give it away. I mean, dang it, man. We got that, and we got this garbage can over here that I've been putting metal stuff in. I want to clean up. I don't want stuff everywhere. So, all right, we're gonna back this up, and we'll be right back. All right, we got enough room here to get the hoist and all. Now we gotta take off the hood.
How'd you put it up there?
What I'm doing is on the bike rail. Is that what they call that? Bike rails or something?
Or rack?
Yeah, bike rack. I'm sliding it on the bike rack and put it into position. That's it. Now, if you look up under here, you see how I got the twine holding up the transmission. So what I'm gonna do now is get my floor jack, set it up under the transmission, so we can get that transmission up in the air. So when we set this engine down, okay, we're gonna be getting our power steering pump, tying it all out of the way, getting all this mess out of the way. That's in the next episode. All right, is that all I need? Yeah, we are good to go. We'll be right back.
Okay, so this is the end of part 18. You watched us have a little fun, and maybe not so much fun, a little bit of everything.
Mess up my tractor, it's gonna be fun, right?
I gotta go get my zero turn. I usually move cars around with my zero turn, but I don't know, he wanted me to use the tractor today. Anyway, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.